guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be unboxing the June 2018 Fright Crate. So I'm really excited about this box. If you saw my April unboxing, I was talking about this box back then because the theme is vampires versus werewolves. I love werewolves. Anything having to do with werewolves, I'm there. Sign me up, ready to go. Any werewolf movie, I have tried to watch it, good or bad, I want to see it to make my own opinion because I love werewolves. I don't mind vampires or other, spooky monsters, obviously. I love horror in general. But I have a special place in my heart for werewolves. I've always loved werewolves in books and, movies, TV. I love it. But there aren't that many collectibles for some reason that have to deal with werewolves, at least that I've found. But hopefully this box has some good stuff, some good werewolf stuff. Obviously there's going to be vampire stuff too, which is fine. I don't mind vampires. I am not into Twilight style vampires. Yeah, my vampires do not sparkle in the sun. None of that foolishness. So, let's get down to this box. Usually with Fright Crate, they have a little quote in the front on the sticker. Let's put that a little closer. You can see it. So I'm going to read this to you. It's a quote from Alfred Hitchcock. A glimpse into the world proves that horror is nothing other than reality. Which is true. Reality is pretty horrifying sometimes. So let's open this up. I'm going to put all the info down below. The previous videos I've explained that with Fright Crate, it's not a monthly subscription in the traditional sense. They do have a box every month, but it wasn't something where you could sign up and it would automatically renew. Like, with Loot Crate or Bambox, until you cancel it or skip a month, every month they're going to charge your card and they're going to send you that month's box. With Fright Crate, you had to kind of keep track online. What were the themes? Did you want the box? And then, that first of the month, you had to get in there before the box sold out and order it. From what I'm hearing, or seeing on Facebook, there's been some posts, and I believe that starting next month, we're in July now, so I believe starting in August, they are going to have an auto renewal option. So I'm not sure how that's going to work or if it's going to be in effect, but I believe that that's the change that's coming up. So there will be that option now if you do sign up, that you'll just get a box every month automatically. This box comes out to, I think it's about $35 with tax and shipping and all that. And I'll put all that info down below because I always forget what the pricing is. But it's about $35, $36 a month. I don't know if they're going to have different options when you do the auto renewal, like if month to month or 6 month or yearly subscriptions, if you get a break. I'm not sure what the owner is planning on doing. But Fright Crate is awesome. And, I definitely am excited about this box. So, let's get into it. I'm going to open it up and we're going to see what goodies we got. Werewolf, hopefully. A lot of werewolf goodies because that's really what I'm looking forward to in this box. So, we're going to open it up. This is what you're going to see. So, there's a nice little tissue paper. Take that out. All right, okay, so first off we have our wearable, which is a t-shirt. There's always a t-shirt in the Fright Crate. All right, so, traditional black t-shirt. Oh, okay, and we got Dracula. So this is Bram Stoker's Dracula. You can see right there, that is awesome. So this is really cool, actually. I like the colors because it has, I don't know if you guys can see that. Ugh, I'm trying to see it with you, it's hard. I want to describe it. So I like the red, and it's a very, basic color scheme if you look at it. It's black, the red, the white, and kind of gray. So, not a crazy amount of colors, but it really pops with that red. I really like how it looks, the blood, everything, which makes sense. And the cool thing about Dracula is, obviously he's a vampire, but in the movie, he also changes into this werewolf-like kind of creature. So they have all the different versions of him. So they have the werewolf version, the old Count. Then they have that bat creature version. I guess that looks like Mina right there. So the Winona Ryder character. There's Lucy when she's risen from the dead. Then we have here a Victorian version of Dracula, like when he's young and, wooing Mina. Then we have the bleeding crucifix right here and some skulls. I like that. This is a really cool shirt. I got an extra large. It's cotton and it's nice and comfy. I like it. This is really nice. I like the shirt. It does feel a little thick, like it's not a soft cotton, but probably, as you wash it, it'll get softer. So I like the shirt. Off to a good start. Ooh, what is this? Okay. First werewolf item. Oh, we got a magnet. But it's like a resin plaque kind of magnet. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow, that looks so cool. I love the detail of the fangs. If you guys can see that, I'm trying to like get it nice and close without messing up the lighting. That looks amazing. Yeah, this is really nice. I love the detail around the eyes, and it has like a blue kind of color to make them pop. The blood on the fangs. Oh, this looks really cool. I really like that. That item is really awesome. Put that there carefully. Then next we have, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap. We got, it looks like a bust. Ooh, oh, okay. Ooh, the Howling. Okay, so this is another werewolf item. So we have like a little bust. You can see that. So this is a bust of the werewolves from the Howling. I don't know if it's one of the specific ones. I've seen the Howling, but I don't remember what they all look like. I know they're different colors, when they transform and stuff, but I don't know if this is any specific wolf from the Howling. So very nicely detailed. It's kind of light. I don't know. It's definitely, I don't think it's solid because it feels kind of light. But the art, the paint job is nice. It has a nice gray wash on it. And then on the back, it has a nice little detail. I don't know if you can see that, the claw marks right here. So kind of like in the Howling poster, it has like the slash marks. That's really cool from the claws. And on the bottom of the little base, it says the Howling. So I like that. That looks really nice. Very cool. Then here we have, okay, so this must be a vampire item. Near Dark, Fright Crate exclusive. And it says, finger licking good. And this is our pin. I don't know. I've never seen Near Dark. You can see that right there. I have no idea who that is. I've never seen this movie. I'm assuming it's a movie, Near Dark. So if you guys have seen it, let me know who this is. It's kind of cool. It's like shiny. But I don't know. I don't know if I like this pin that much. I kind of prefer the pins that are all metal. Well, this is all metal, but it has like that weird plastic on top. I don't know. It's like a veneer, a varnish. I don't know. Makes it shiny. It's not bad, but I like the ones that are like metal etched. Like the design is actually like etched into the metal. So that's okay. Next we have a tiny little keychain. This is not bad. It's like gold. Let's see. I don't know. It's in a different language, but there's a moon, so a crescent moon, and what I'm assuming is wolfsbane. So, if anyone likes werewolves, you know that when the wolfbane blooms under the moonlight, that is when the werewolf rises. I don't know the quote exactly, but that's definitely from the original Wolfman movie. That's what the gypsy says. So I don't know the exact quote, but I know that's what she says. So that's really cool. I like that. Werewolves, hello. So we got 3 werewolf items in this box and 1 vampire pin. So that's good. And okay, the shirt. Technically, the shirt is a vampire shirt because it's Dracula. And that's pretty much it. So we have the box. Oops. Box is empty. We have our little description spoiler card. And then the bust, the Howling bust, is presented by Serial Resin Co. So that was made by Serial Resin Co. So you might be able, it might be exclusive to this box, but sometimes the items that Serial Resin Co. does, they also offer them on their website. So you can see the website right there. If you want to go check it out, they have other figures there that they've made. And they might even have the bust. I'm not sure. Let's see what the card says if exclusive. Yep, everything's exclusive. So they might not have the bust, but they might have something else, a color variant or something similar. I don't know. It's good to check it out. They have other stuff too that they don't put into the Fright crates. So exclusive, the Howling Bust. Amazing Bust by Cereal Resin Co. will have you howling into the night, ready to feast. Okay, and then we have our exclusive Bram Stoker's Dracula shirt. Lifeless, soulless, hated and feared. Gorgeous design by Max Cave. Printed by Precision Merch. Cool. Then we have our exclusive An American Werewolf in London sculpted magnet. Okay, so this one is the wolf from American Werewolf in London. That's awesome. That's another favorite of mine. I love that movie. So really nice. I really like this. This is really cool. Then next we have the exclusive Wolfman replica medallion keychain. Okay, so this was inspired by the Wolfman 2010. So the keychain, what did I do with it? Oh. So the keychain was from the remake of the Wolfman movie, not the original one from back in the, I don't even know, the 40s? I know it was black and white. Inspired by the Wolfman 2010, let the insatiable bloodlust ensue. Medallion design is by Fright Crate. Really nice. I really like the medallion. The only thing I would wish is that it had the design on both sides. Because sometimes, you know, it twirls around and stuff. It'd be cool if it had a little something on the other side. Next, we have an exclusive Near Dark pin. Retro style 1.75 inch pin with double clutch inspired from the movie. It's finger licking good. I don't know. I'm going to have to check out this movie. I've never seen it. Not sure what that's about. I've never heard about it. So who knows? Maybe it's like one of those B-movie cult classics. So then it has next month's theme here, which already went on sale and it's sold out, unfortunately. By the time we get our boxes, the first of the month is way past. But the next month's theme is going to include the franchises from They Live, New Nightmare, Silent Hill, Ghost Ship, plus a mystery theme. So I don't, you know, this was the Werewolves versus Vampires. This is one of the few times that they actually had an overarching theme. Other than that, it's generally, you know, different franchises that you get in the box, horror franchises. So yeah, so this was the June 2018 Fright Crate, Vampires versus Werewolves. What did you guys think? I liked it. You know, I think my favorite item, though, it's going to be this. I really, really love the detail on this magnet. It's just amazing. I really hope this magnet is strong and it, you know, it stays stuck well, because I'd be so pissed if this fell off my fridge or something and cracked. Because it does feel like, you know, it's delicate. Like if it falls and hits the floor, like the fang might break off the ear, something like that. So hopefully the magnet and the glue is really strong, because this is definitely going on my fridge right away. It just looks so amazing. Like, come on. The Howling, I mean, not the Howling, An American Werewolf in London. Like, come on. Classic. So this is my favorite item, but I like everything. The only thing I didn't really like was the pin. Mainly, A, I've never seen the movie, so I don't even know who this is. And B, I don't really like when it has like that, you know, like that smooth, shiny, plasticky surface. But yeah, let me know what you think. Comment down below. Did you like the items? Would you get Fright Crate? I think it's such a great deal, especially now that they're going to have that auto renewal, because you know, sometimes you forget and you miss out on boxes if you're not right there, you know, on the first of each month. So this way, I think it's a lot easier for people who are really diehard fans to just, you know, keep the boxes coming. Or if you just want, I'm assuming he's still going to keep where you can just buy one at a time. So either way, I'm happy. I like this box. I'm really glad I got it. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. If you like my channel, if you like my content, hit that like button, click the subscribe, and let me know you're out there. Bye-bye for now.